So here it is. The first thing I see is actually this recipe book, which is a very nice touch. And yes guys, so again it shows you how to make your apple juice, grape juice, tomato juice, celery, pineapple, mango. Oh my god, you can also make some smoothies. Again, super excited to see what's inside. There is also a technical support insert in there, and here is your instructional manual that we also going to go through. And yes guys, so let's look at the juicer itself. It's definitely protected right now with this piece of styrofoam. All right, so I'm just going to put it on the side. And yes guys, this is how your juicer looks inside. It comes just like this, straight out of the box. And yes, I see a lot of different elements in here that I would actually have to figure out with the user manual. So I'll try to not to disassemble it too much, to leave it exactly as it is before I assemble it. Here I actually see the juicing cup, as well as, yes guys, here is our main juicing unit. Looks super sleek, and I feel it would look great in my interior design in a kitchen. And yes guys, there's another cup and something else, so I would have to figure out what all of these are. And again, cannot wait to become healthier and definitely figure out this technology with you. And I'm just going to put the box on the side right now. And yes guys, let's actually unwrap this beautiful main unit. And yes, super excited. So I'm going to put it on top so all of you can see. Yes, so again, here's the ZUUKOO logo that it comes with. And yes, I believe this is start button on the side. And oh, there's actually a cleaning brush for your juicer as well by ZUUKOO. And yes, so I believe this is the power cord as well. So I'm just going to remove all the plastic from it. And yes guys, again, we are actually going to try and assemble it together. And yes, I'm actually thinking maybe I should prop it up a little higher, and I think that little piece of foam would be very helpful for that, so all of you can actually see how the unit looks. So yes guys, much better I think. What do you think? I also think it is much better like this. And yeah, so now I believe it's time for the instructional manual. And yes guys, there's a lot of safety information and precaution. And here is actually the guide of how you are going to assemble it. So maybe let's try and do it now. So this is basically the main unit. This is the dial knob, main frame, spring switch. And yeah, all right, so let me unwrap all of them other pieces. And yes guys, let's put our ZUUKOO juicer together. And again, super excited to actually juice something already tonight on Black Friday, guys. And yes, again, I feel like it's definitely very beautiful unit. And again, the materials look super sturdy the way it's made. And yes, you can definitely see the quality of all of the pieces. And again, I like how everything is actually carefully packaged. And yes, I think this is probably one of the most important elements. And yes guys, so let me see exactly what we are going to do with it. And yes guys, so let me go back to the assembly guide. And yes, so and locate all the features. So this is basically the feeding tube, right? and it looks like it should go on the back, so I'm going to turn it the other way. And yes guys, so all of you can see exactly what I am doing here. All right, so this is the back, and I believe it should go in somehow like this. Somehow like this, it should all fit in there. All right, so okay, so so this is actually not the only piece. I believe this piece might be going forward, or no, this is actually going on the back. Looks like it goes in here somehow, or this goes, I mean, logically it feels like it should go in like this. Okay, so maybe I should put this technology first inside, and yes, it looks like this should be like this. Maybe it goes like this, guys. Let's see. Somehow like this. All right, so yes, because this piece goes outwards, as you guys can see here in the manual, and yeah, okay, so I believe maybe I should press on the spring switch, and then it should go in nicely. Okay, so it just should probably glide in like this. Perfect. Yes guys, so I figured it out. This part glided in, and now I need this metal attachment to put on the back like this. Strainer, right? So it goes like this, and then there is an end cap that I believe goes like this somehow. Oh no, this is actually the bottom. The bottoms. Okay, so so this is how you lock it, guys, I believe. No, this should be on the bottom, so I should start from this side like this. Yes, and again guys, I'm following the direction right here, right? So again, works very well. And yes guys, here is your this part goes in like this, I believe. Yes, just like this. And this part goes in like this to basically, it's a plunger to help you push down all the contents inside. So yes guys, we quickly and easily assembled our juicer by ZUUKOO.